Okay, so here we've got our email to the client example. So I've written here the subject, let's schedule your onboarding call with North Sky Climbing Limited. So we've got, hi Thomas, hope you're well and thank you again for choosing us to support you. We're really looking forward to working with you and the team. To kick things off smoothly, I'd like to schedule a short onboarding call with you. This will help us fully understand the business and make sure we're aligned from the start. So it's always good if you are writing an email to a client that you make sure that you set out the reasoning behind what you're doing, and that flows all the way across to any service that you're providing with them. So make sure that you're very clear from the start what you're trying to get out of any supporting documentation requests or meetings, for example. So on the call, we'll cover a quick overview of the business, where you're at and where you're heading, your goals for working with us and any pain points you're experiencing at the moment, an overview of your current bookkeeping process, including what's working and what could be improved, clarifying who our main point of contact will be, whether it's yourself or another team member, discussing what reporting you need each month, such as P&L statements, cash flow insights, or anything else that you would find useful, and reviewing any upcoming deadlines. And again, it's important to make sure that you clarify how long this is going to take and that it's going to give us everything that we need to tailor our service to suit your business. Now, what I like to do in my emails is make sure that I've added a calendar link so that the client can then book that in around a time that works for them. That way you avoid playing email ping pong. So looking forward to getting started, and then best regards, your name, your title, your firm, phone number, email address, website.